Hello. I know that I often talk to you about having a plan because we talk about the fact that you need a planner and that you need a plan. And if you don't have a plan, you're planning to fail, blah, blah. You know the story. But behind the plan is a goal. So you need to think about why you have a goal to declutter. What specific decluttering goals do you have? And why is that important to you? And make sure that it's a personal goal. Now, it needs to be a family goal as well. Of course, if you have a family, this is their home. But you also need a personal goal. Why do you want this closet straight? Why do you need to go through and get rid of your extra cookware? Why does your underwear need to be organized? What is your goal? So today, set a goal for yourself. And then look at your plan, and then your plan will have a little oomph behind it. Okay, that's it for today. Have a great day.